On Thursday, Boucan Creative Center, in collaboration with the National Training Agency, NTA, and Grencoda, held an Allied Health Geriatrics Care graduation. 11 people were awarded Caribbean Vocational Qualification Certificates. Janesta Charles of the National Training Agency speaks on the NTA's mandate as it relates to improving the employability of Grenada's workforce and the origin of this collaboration.
And for us, it was a pleasure to partner. When Grencoda would have approached us and said they wanted to do some training, we could have directed them based on our on-the-ground knowledge of what is happening in the country to say to them, why not try Allied Health Geriatric Caregiver as one of the areas? And we're happy that the response was so overwhelming from you, the participants, that you decided to sign up for that program. And so we've been able to partner with Grencoda and give them direction as to what they should have done and how they should have done it. And thankfully, we had one of our approved providers, the Boucan Creative Center, and the only one for that matter approved to deliver Allied Health Geriatric Care, that we were able to direct them to this center and ask them to do the training for you, the participants.
Charles emphasized that the National Training Agency provides training against occupational standards, whether locally or regionally approved.
In this case, the Allied Health Geriatric Care program is a regionally approved occupational area. So the training that Boucan would have delivered is the same training that a candidate in Trinidad would have to follow, a candidate in Jamaica would have to follow, a candidate in St. Vincent would have to follow. All the CARICOM islands, they would have to follow that in order for their trainees to be issued a CVQ, which is the Caribbean Vocational Qualification. So we do our training, our training providers rather, do the training against approved occupational standards.
In delivering the keynote to the graduates, Ricardo Kings Douglas admonished the ladies to be caregivers with love.
You are called here to do great things, right? But listen to this. We are not called to do great things. We are called to do small things with great love. Mother Teresa. Remember that. Remember the golden rule. You might be the caregiver today, and someone else might be your caregiver too. So do unto others, unto you.
One participant shared her next step forward.
Well, for me, I will definitely try to travel and enhance my qualifications, develop myself a little bit better, and get a proper job and stuff like that.
One of the facilitators for the Allied Health Geriatric Care course was Boucan director Ann Peters. Special awards were given to Francine Lessie, Christy Julian, Mitzi Wickham, Esther Lewis, and Sarah Charles. Akisha Felix for GBN News.